Hi, my name is Ian and I have autism, and this is my gym ball. We don't take it to the gym, we just always keep it at home. And I use it for bouncing just for a bit of fun. But Mr. Lindbergh's bouncy balls are more comfier, and I like bouncy
Who's
balls.
Mr. Lindbergh?
Mr. Lindbergh's my teacher.
And he has one at school too?
Yes.
And how does it help you?
I love the bounciness and the comfiness of the balls.
It has good rhythm, makes you feel comforted.
A little bit, yes.
Does it soothe you? Calm the nerves?
Yes.
That's good. And is this your favorite piece of gym equipment out of all the things like swings and trampolines and all that stuff?
I love trampolines.
Would you say your trampoline is more favorite?
Yeah, I wish I had a huge trampoline. They're so much fun.
But do you think this is better for indoor stuff?
Yes, the gym ball is better for indoors than trampolines.
Right. Especially now that you're so tall, you almost hit your head every time you get on the trampoline. Because we used to have the trampoline indoors, but Ian almost hit his head because he's getting so tall. Yeah. But we have it outside now, huh?
And I still almost hit my head.
Yeah, because you're getting so tall. So tell us more about this ball. Is it pretty sturdy? Does it work pretty well? You haven't popped it yet, huh?
I'm gonna do the Python squeeze.
Yep. Nice. That helps relieve stress too, right? Being able to squeeze it nice and tight. What's that?
This ball is too sturdy.
Yeah. And does swinging help you as well as bouncing?
Yeah. Dad, can I tell the watchers of the video of two jobs of what I want to be when I grow up?
Okay, yeah, hold on real quick. Let's get the name of this one here. SPRI. And we're not recommending this any others. This is not a paid promotion. We're just showing you the one that has worked for us so far. All right. To close this video out, tell us about the two jobs you want in the future.
I want to be a Toyota dealer and have all sorts of my dream YouTube channels.
Yeah, you want to do more YouTube videos?
Yeah.
Yep. And we thank everyone for their patience waiting for a new video. We're going to have more little videos like this too. And we're going to wait for our 100,000 subscriber video when we have more time to plan.
And we'll have a huge celebration.
Yeah, we're thinking maybe Palm Springs, right? Because Dad used to live near there. I used to live near there when I was a kid, out in Joshua Tree. Yep, kind of a last little hoorah celebration, and then we'll come back to Utah.
And it'll be a fun. And it'll be fun for my childhood to live in Utah. Utah's always been fun.
It's a great state to be in, that's for sure. So thank you everyone for watching.
Bye.